finishing. The use of high-quality materials ensures a rewarding experience as soon as you sit in the Alpine A110. The padded natural full-grain leather covering the seats and inner doors extends to the center console and the sports steering wheel and boasts characteristic blue Alpine stitching. On the center section of the Sibel bucket seats, the leatherwork teams up with the Dynamica microfiber, which is stronger and more environmentally friendly than Alcantara. This makes upkeep easier and is reminiscent of the cold velvet of the Alpines of the past. It is exciting to see the marked contrast between these warm organic materials and the cooler high-tech materials. The brushed aluminium used from the pedal unit to the piano keys on the center console and the semi-gloss carbon fiber finish that embellishes the air vent trims and the cap of the instrument panel provide a unique onboard atmosphere. The combination of these modern materials ensures a sporty feel where every feature speaks of avant-garde, performance, and lightness. One last detail, the upper part of the door panels include painted components that harmonize well with the color of the bodywork.